All right, YouTubers, welcome back. I think I broke my other phone, so I got to record this off of this phone. But voila, look at that. Got some stairs in there. We got to paint them. We're going to repaint the whole truck, I think. And I got the corners in the back. So diamond plate corners. I don't know if you remember all that body damage. I still got to put another diamond plate right there that goes all the way up. But it's better than Bondo. I just don't like Bondo. I think that stuff's horrible. But I'll put one more strip of diamond plate and rivet that, and the whole corner will be done. And there's the new stair on it. And soon enough, I'll get that headlight. I got to get the fender, the wheel well, cut that in there, and I'll show you what I used. And this stuff is not cheap. So this is the same thing they would use at the factory. Where's a part number on it? That might be, if you can pause it and look at that, but that'll tell you what sizes it'll do. There it is right here. That's the rivet gun I use, not cheap. And then I have, these are the rivets. So these are shoulder rivets, I believe they're called, rivet heads. So, but you got to get these from the inside. So the spots that I couldn't get them from the inside, I had to get these, make a little bit of a bigger hole, and this is the difference. So these ones right here, oh, where is it at? Right there. Those are these kind of rivets, right? These are that one with the shoulder that you could get from the inside. So you can see for this application, I couldn't get the gun on the inside of it, and that's what happened. So anyway, you don't even want to know how much money I spent in rivets today. And that gun, I bought that gun a couple months ago, but she's coming along. And yeah, we got to get ready to paint the motor. But I want to paint the motor maybe when I paint all this stuff. And I'm thinking about painting the motor burgundy. I was going to paint it that Cummins color, but I think I'm going to paint it burgundy to match that nose, and paint the stairs burgundy also. And then I already told you guys the inside's gutted. I got to fix that panel, and there it is right there. So I got all the electrical. I showed you that in the last video, which the sound sucked, so most of you probably shut it off early. But here's all the new relays, all the new switches. I got an inverter for the back, and all that stuff on the table, and I'm waiting for the gauges to come up. I got brand new gauges on order, so she's coming together. She will be a truck hopefully one day again. And you can see on this side, we painted this because that was already there. But the reason they were able to use these rivets is because they might have had a different gun. If you notice on this side, they were able to get the gun to the back of it and pull those out. But I don't know how they did that. They might have had a different, like some 90 degree gun that they could just go in there and pow, you know, hit those rivet heads. But I don't know how they did that. But anyway, and then here they used nuts and bolts on this side. I cut all those out, and I used rivets. So that's this side. The sheet metal leaves a lot to be desired on this truck, but it is what it is. It's a 1980. So here's the inside of it again. I got to cut out some rivets and put the ribs back because we forgot to put the ribs on there when we riveted those corners in. So anyway, that's going to be like 4 or 5 rivets. I'll cut them out, put the ribs on, and re-rivet them. So there it is. That's the update for today. So that's what we're doing. And we got the, let me go to the other side again, walk around my forklift. And so it's starting to look like a truck again. Starting to have some semblance of a truck, I think, with these stairs in place.